Here we have an ENCO 13 by 40 inch bench lathe. It's 230 volt, single phase, and we're powered up. Show you that it does operate. So you get your manual control here. All right, what we do is pull out the E-stop and put it in neutral. All right, so we have it on our longitudinal feed. Go in the opposite direction. Now if you lift this lid, it shuts off. Then you have to reset. Okay. And we'll shift it over to the cross feed. Your speed control right here. We checked all the speeds. All the speeds do operate. This one lever for the speed control is broken off inside here. Okay, it's not a big deal. You can extract that and either put in a new lever. But we checked all the controls. All the controls operate very nicely on here. Got your manual. Comes with a 4-way tool post, and you got your tailstock. It moves back and forth, locks down. You have your work light. Includes an owner's manual. 4-jaw chuck, backing plate, an adapter plate for the 4-jaw chuck. You got your metric change gears and some tools and some other accessories. And you have your drip pan here. The drip pan is badly damaged, but it may still be usable. We're going to ship it out anyway with the lathe. Okay. You got this fiberglass cover here. Well, there's a limit switch, there's a stop switch right in here. So what happened is one of the studs got bent, okay, and one of the knobs came off. So we just managed to make it run with the one stud. You're going to need another stud or a bolt, metric bolt down at the bottom here, okay, in order to keep this this lid closed. It's got some just minor surface rust on the bedway right here, and has some paint chips on various areas of the machine. See right here. And you have your backsplash here. It does have some scratches and dings and dents. It's still intact though. And then you have this cable right here for your light. Well, you can see right here. It came apart, but the light still works. You'd probably try to get that repaired right there. Just tape it up if you want. Overall, it's in really good condition and it runs very well. It also will include your lathe stand in a separate box. We don't have one out here right now. It's a little bit of a different color. You'll see it in the last photo of the listing. And we thank you for looking at our product.